And when it comes to what we write and what we quote, a lot has changed. Yet, I personally think what we're quoting now has more impact than what we did earlier.
And then singing that in Goa led to actually a man taking offense and filing an FIR against you. And then you were detained. And then, of course, there was a judgment that was in your favor as well, which also, in a way, showed you exactly what the weight of words could be, because that judgment was a bit of a landmark, if I remember correctly.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want to talk
It's
about
absolute
that
landmark.
a little?
I mean, it's a really well written judgment, I would say, and it really reinforced our faith in the judiciary and just the systems that are in place.
Yeah.
And the fact that they do work, because really the case against us was so ridiculous on many grounds. And the fact that I liked about the judgment is the court pulled them up on each one of those mistakes that they made. And honestly, it was just the government flexing their political muscle to prove a point or to be a deterrent for people to do this in the future. So I'm glad that they failed on all those fronts.
But has that affected the way you make music now? Has that led to you second guessing what you do? Has that led to you thinking twice about what you put out there in front of people?
For sure. It has. It has, clearly.
We
but it
just have
not
to be,
in a negative way.
we just
but
have
in
to
a
be a
very
lot
positive way.
smarter
Because I
about-
think
yeah.
I think we are now, when we discuss things now, it's a very even when it comes to these discussions, all I can say is, because I'm usually somewhat the sort of silent dude watching, the one thing I am very good at doing is figuring out if people have changed or not. Okay, and I can see it. I can definitely say people have. But they have changed for good. And they have changed for good in a good way. For example, now nobody is trying to make art. Now people are making art. And they're making like in us, in the three of us, when it comes to music, a lot has changed. And when it comes to what we write and what we quote, a lot has changed. Yet, I personally think what we're quoting now has more impact than what we did earlier, which kind of got us in trouble. And surprisingly, see, that's another thing, man. See, this goes to show how stupid this whole situation is. It's the situation, Because now look at it. Now you have to we also dissected our situation. Okay, kya hua? There was a lawyer, okay, who shall remain nameless. He got offended. He may have many reasons why he got offended that day. May have had a fight with his wife. Who knows? May have had fight with people. Or may straight up would have not liked the band. Or what we were saying. Because we also, on that day, supported the protests that were happening, specifically against the CAA.
Sure.
And all of these things, it creates an image in the eyes of the people who are watching this. Okay? Now, in my opinion, there were a lot of people there and I could see them because मैं drums पे बजा रहा हूँ riser पे, मुझे सब दिखता है. I saw people who didn't like it. ठीक है? There were a lot. They stood up and they did the most beautiful Indian thing you can do, which is walk away. Yeah?
Sure. It makes sense. It does make sense.
They didn't like it.
Right.
Moved away. There were people who liked it. Came and sat down. That's it. That's what we are about, dude.
But
that's what art is about.
Sure.
So the situation here is, एक बंदे का दिमाग खराब हो गया, उसने ये सारी चीज अपने पे ले ली, उसके बाद उसके पीछे और लोग आ गए जिन्होंने लगा कि हाँ भाई इसके पीछे हम पॉइंट्स कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये मतलब बलून वाली बात आ गई, आ गए मतलब वो आ गई, वो छर्रा वाला गन आ गया, चलो लेट्स कलेक्ट पॉइंट्स. पॉइंट कलेक्ट करने की कोशिश करी गई, पॉइंट कलेक्ट नहीं हुए और बात अपने आप फेड हो गई. फिर इवेंचुअली जब ये जुडिशरी पे बात पहुंची तो ऑब्वियसली जजेस देख रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि क्या हो रहा है ये.
If you've enjoyed this podcast, subscribe to our channel now. We have a new episode out every Friday.